Welcome back to another AD&D Toolkit tutorial video. This is going to be a short one based upon adding custom items to your character's inventory within Toolkit. There's two ways to go about this. I had actually done a video on custom items in the past, and at that point there was only one way to go about it. I'm going to show you that one first. So I'm going to go to one of my characters here. This one I named Creatively Mine. Click on the Manage button next to his backpack to get into his list of items. And you'll see he's just got these three items in his backpack. And if you wanted to add a custom item to the toolkit in the past, you would go to Add Items, Custom Items. So these are categories of items. Armor, weapon, and standard items are in the 1E Player's Handbook. Custom items come from supplements, or I've added them. Is homebrew. If you scroll down to the bottom, there's this item in brackets called custom. Check that. We're going to add that to my inventory. And then you'll see it just pops in here with the basics. Only one encumbrance, one gold piece, the names in brackets custom. So you need to edit that item. And when you edit, you can give it some details, encumbrance, and a name. So let's say, like the example I used in the past is I had a scenario, a mission where my players had to collect kobold heads for a certain lord of a village. So let's say they wanted to put a kobold head. Oh, cold head, what am I doing? Kobold head. They added a kobold head to their inventory. It's rotting. And the average human head, according to Jerry Maguire's buddy, was 8 pounds. Kobold head, half the size, will say 4 pounds. Click Submit. And then you got a kobold head in your inventory. So that still exists. You can still use that, and that would have one use case application for it. But there's another way to do a custom item, and how you do that is you take an existing item, like let's say this long sword here, and I want to create a new item. Whether I'm the DM or the player, the DM would have more fields here, but even the player can do this. So let's say we're going to do a magic sword. This is going to be a long sword. Oh, there we go. +1 would be the name of it. Details. Magical glow. And it's going to be a little bit heavier. Actually, I don't even know what a long sword weighs. I'm going to say about 8. So let's say this is 10. Click Submit. Now, that longsword was already not only in my backpack, but it's an item from the Toolkit database. But you can overwrite the name. You can add to the details. It retains the other details, the cost and the cost, damage, and so forth. But the encumbrance we overwrote to 10. So what this will do is for any existing item, if you do change any of those fields, those 3 fields we talked about, they'll be overwritten. Now, not overwritten in the database for items, only for this one particular item. So not all long swords will be changed for you this way, just this one item. So it's a custom item. So you can go about it either way, whichever suits your needs. I hope that was helpful. We like to explain ways that Toolkit can be flexible wherever possible. This is one of them. And I sure hope you click that subscribe button to the YouTube channel for us. I hope you join our Discord and that you're using AD&D Toolkit to play AD&D at your table or online.